Welcome to the Request button in Discover at MU video tutorial. This guide will show you how to place requests for books through MU's online search. After searching for your book, click the Place Request button on the left side of the screen, underneath the Related Information tab and above the Holdings Information tab. If you are not already logged in, you will need to do so after this step. This button allows you to request your chosen book, requesting either the first available copy of the book or a specific copy or volume of the book. In addition, you can request where you want to pick up your book. From the drop-down menu under I want to pick up at this location, select your preferred library location and hit Submit. After placing your request, you will be able to see your place in line to receive the book. This is underneath the Related Information tab. However, the process of ordering the book and getting it to you may take a few days. If you are in a hurry, it may be easier to go to the library stacks and pick up the book yourself. Find the call number by scrolling down to the bottom of the page and use it to locate the book within the library. There are other available guides that provide helpful information on how to locate books in the library. If you need any more help, please feel free to reach out to the library over the chat function or email,